Hi, it's William Jumping. Welcome to Learn Digital Art with William Jumping, and you're watching a serious video of 1000 tips of procreate. And have you wondered how to adjust the setting like this? So sometimes if you use a specific brush, you can see that it's kind of monotone, okay? So which means that whatever the pressure that you're using is still the same size. And of course, the starting as well as the ending points will not change according to the pressure or whatever thing input that you put. Okay, but sometimes you need something like this. You want to use this like a really pointy and changing size line. So how to do that? Let me use this monoline as an example. So I already used this monoline and change it. Right now, let's just delete this and do that again. So duplicate. If you use monoline, it would just be monoline. Okay, so it's very good if you are like drawing, like kids drawing. So you want this monoline. And let's just change it. Okay, so monoline first setting, very important, is taper. So basically, tape you can change the starting and ending points, the tip. Okay, so if you decrease that, which means that the left and right sides of the line will become sharper. And if you just do this, you will have no effect. And you may wonder why. That's because you did not change the size as well as the pressure. So you want to change the size. As you guys can see, if I already change the size, it will automatically change. And of course, this doesn't matter whether you are using the Apple Pencil or using another. Say you get lots of Apple Pencil, you want to buy another pencil that do not have a pressure sensitive. You can use this setting to sort of using algorithm to do that. Okay, as you can see, you can already use it. But of course, we want to use pressure. So let me just drag the pressure so you can use pressure to control. Okay, so if you really low, you can be really like a narrow. You add a lot of pressure, you can have a lot of wider. And of course, the touch taper, you can also make it really like in the narrow, in the center. How to see that more centered? Okay, increase size, increase, or do not increase the tip. Okay, and of course, one last secret sauce. You can go to the Apple Pencil, because if you're using Apple Pencil, you can adjust the setting as well. So all I'm going to do is to increase that pressure to max, so I can get most of the Apple Pencil. So every pressure you can record, and done. Then we got monoline 1, so you can have a very pointy and varied line. The start at the end. Okay, so it's really helpful if you are like drawing some, I don't know, maybe grass or something like that. And of course, you can change the size as well. Yeah, because it's monoline, so the size won't matter that much. But other brush will matter. Okay, so yeah, hope this is helpful. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, bye.